Hi, welcome back to my channel Nest Bags and Cooks. Do you know what I'm going to show you today? I'm going to show you how to make a perfect Mysore pak. So please watch my video till the end patiently so that as I proceed, you will not miss out any of the ingredients that I'll be using. So let's get started. Here I've taken one bowl and 1 cup of gram flour. But before I proceed, I want to tell you that please watch my video attentively and note down the measurements that I'm going to tell you as I proceed further so that you will not end up making a mess in making the perfect Mysore pak. So here is the 1 cup of gram flour. I'm going to sieve it so that there are no lumps. Always sieve the gram flour so that you will get a fine Mysore pak. So in this way I have sieved the gram flour, you can see. And I'm going to use the same cup to measure the other ingredients. So once again, I'm telling you to please watch attentively. So here are the 2 ingredients, the sugar and the water, isn't it? I've taken 1 cup of sugar and half cup of water. And these 2 ingredients I'm going to use to make a sugar syrup. So I have placed the pan on the stove and I'm keeping the flame on high. So into this, I'm adding that half cup of water. And I'm going to add the sugar also, 1 cup of sugar. You can see the sugar is getting dissolved slowly. So I'm going to keep on stirring the liquid. We are not going to make a thick sugar syrup, but we can test it by taking the liquid in between our 2 fingers. If it is sticking, then it's done. Now the next process. I have taken 1 cup of clarified butter. So from this 1 cup, I'm going to pour half cup of the fat into the gram flour and mix it thoroughly. And the other half, I'm going to keep it for the later use. You can see how nicely I have mixed the 2 ingredients, isn't it? Mix it in such a way that there are no lumps. Now, the next step. Here is the sugar syrup. So into this, I'm going to add the gram flour and the clarified butter mixture. You can see. So I've added the whole mixture. So this I'm going to cook on a medium flame by stirring it continuously so that it will not clump up at the bottom. We have to keep on cooking till we get a thick consistency of the mixture. But be very careful. See that it doesn't get stuck at the bottom. We have to keep on stirring continuously. You can see that it is becoming thick slowly, isn't it? We have to keep on stirring. Remember this, please don't forget to keep on stirring continuously. And now I'm going to add the clarified butter, which I have kept it aside. We are not going to add the whole clarified butter, 2 to 3 tablespoons at a time, and keep on cooking till the fat is completely absorbed in the mixture. Once the fat is absorbed, you can add another 2 to 3 tablespoons of the clarified butter. So here I add again 2 to 3 tablespoons. Again, keep on stirring till the fat is completely absorbed. We should never add the fat all at a time. Again, I add the fat. So in this way, I'm going to add the fat little by little and cook the mixture till it becomes completely thick and starts leaving the sides of the pan. It takes a lot of patience to make this Mysore pak. So in this way, we have to keep on stirring and keep on cooking. So now you can see that it is starting to leave the sides of the pan, isn't it? And it's not sticking on the sides of the pan also. Now how to test whether it is done or not? Take a small bowl, be very careful. See that you don't burn your fingers. So in this way, take a small ball, roll in between your fingers, and if it is not sticking onto your fingers, then it is done. So you can see that it's not sticking and I can make a ball of it, isn't it? So now it's done. So now I'm going to switch off the gas. Let's give a final stir. I have removed from the stove. Now let's get ready with the mold. Here I have taken 2 mold. Before I pour the mixture, I'm going to grease the mold. Some clarified butter. If we grease the mold like this with some fat, the mixture will not stick and it will easily come out. So it's done. Now I'm going to pour the mixture. Level it nicely. You can see how nicely I have leveled the mixture, isn't it? And this I'm going to keep it in the room temperature and let them cool completely and set. After that, I'll cut and show you how does our Mysore pak look like. So here it is, smooth, silky and mouth melting Mysore pak. If you follow the correct measurements that I have told you, you'll get a perfect Mysore pak. So I'm sure you will try to make this recipe. If you like watching my video, please give a thumbs up, share and subscribe. And yes, please don't forget to press the bell icon so that whenever I upload any new videos, you will get the notifications. Thank you so much for watching my video patiently.